G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're today at a lovely home, 44 Cassandra Crescent in the popular Marina side precinct of Urangan. There is a lot to take in. Let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this rare opportunity to secure your own piece of paradise in one of Hervey Bay's most exclusive locations in the popular seaside suburb of Urangan. This beautiful home is positioned on a large 1,010 square metre allotment, offering the lifestyle that comes with being only minutes away from the Hervey Bay Boat Club, Marina, boat ramps, the Botanic Gardens, Esplanade, beach and iconic Urangan Pier, where you've got a selection of cafes and restaurants to choose from as well. You'll also enjoy the convenience that comes with having key amenities nearby, including the Urangan Central shopping centre, Aldi's, fast food outlets, medical centres, schools and the Hervey Bay Central shopping precinct, all only a short drive away. This high quality custom built home was completed in 1994 and has been well maintained and refurbished over time. This home boasts a creative floor plan split across 3 levels that produce an amazing family retreat that provides everyone their own space and privacy. At the heart of this home is the wonderfully appointed kitchen, complete with polished concrete floors, large island bench and loads of storage plus a walk-in pantry. Quality appliances include an electric hot plate with range hood, an oven and dishwasher, plus there is a water purifier as well. You will feel as though you're on holidays every day as you step out to the amazing outdoor entertaining area, which seamlessly transitions between the open plan indoor dining area and that fabulous alfresco outdoor entertaining area overlooking the sparkling in-ground pool surrounded by established tropical gardens. This is where you'll appreciate and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate while entertaining with family and friends. Next, you've got a separate lounge or living room, again with polished concrete floors, beautiful plantation shutters and reverse cycle split system air conditioning. This is where you'll enjoy your favourite television series along with the latest blockbuster movies. Next, step up and you've got a separate living area with beautiful polished hardwood floors and exposed timber ceiling and rafters, again with plantation shutters, allowing everyone their own space to enjoy their favourite television series or sporting events. Upstairs you have 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. One also includes split system reverse cycle air conditioning. The spacious main bedroom is large enough to be its own private retreat and includes a large walk-in wardrobe, lavish ensuite and private balcony. The bathroom has been tastefully refurbished and includes a luxurious bath, shower, vanity, and you've got a separate powder room with toilet. You also have a second bathroom on the ground floor, which again has been beautifully refurbished and includes a shower, vanity and toilet. Vehicle accommodation includes a huge shed measuring approximately 15 by 9 metres with a high 2.7 metre entry and a partitioned room to the rear which includes a shower and toilet. This will be ideal as a home workshop, studio or those into their arts and crafts. Those looking to be more self-sufficient will appreciate the new 6.5 kilowatt solar power system, and you've got a raised vegetable patch and a selection of fruit trees as well. Homes offering these features in this location are rare and always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.